Welcome to Vadhvani Foundation's Housekeeping Procedures Training.
Let's watch a video and learn about guest laundry service in hotels. Step 1. Registering. Collecting the laundry. A laundry assistant generally visits the occupied rooms daily to check for laundry. He may also receive special laundry requests from guests. Before entering a guest room, he makes sure he has the laundry or dry cleaning list. He knocks the guest room door thrice and announces himself as laundry. He collects the guest laundry and checks the clothes for any damages or valuables in the pockets. He requests the guest to fill in laundry or dry cleaning list with details like service with specific instructions such as expected delivery time, request for ironing, etc. Correct room number. He puts clothes in separate bags depending on specifics given by the guest. He leaves a copy of the laundry or dry cleaning list with the guest. Step 2. Processing. The laundry assistant collects the laundry bags and transfers them to the floor pantry to be collected by another laundry assistant. He ensures that the special laundry or delivery requests are communicated to the laundry department by placing a laundry list with the laundry bags. Billing. The bill is generated by the laundry department as per the details in laundry or dry cleaning list. The laundry assistant ensures that 3 copies of the bill are prepared. 1 copy goes to the front desk for the guest folio, 1 goes to the guest with the laundry, and 1 goes to the accounts. He makes sure that the guest gets a copy of the bill along with the laundered clothes. Delivery. The laundry assistant, before delivering the laundry, takes the laundry or dry cleaning list to cross-check. Guest's correct room number. The number of laundered pieces. The marking or tagging on the laundered clothes. He informs the housekeeping control desk about the delivery. He knocks on the room door thrice and announces himself as laundry. He delivers the laundry to the guest. He places them as per hotel standards. In case the guest is out, he enters the room using the floor key and places the laundry in the room as per hotel standards. He places the bill along with the laundered clothes.